The main activities that really gets the kids most excited are the dissections. When I have my oceanography group, they dissect a starfish, so they actually get that hands-on and actually get to see what parts of the starfish are. There's no brain, there's nothing, so it's really cool. But they also have a ring canal that helps them move. And then my marine ecosystems, they dissect a squid, and hopefully this year they'll be dissecting a lionfish. And then this group gets to, my conservation group gets to dissect the shark once we finish with our shark fish unit.
Here I enjoyed when we learned about the shark tooth, and we created an AI generator to see what the shark tooth was used for and who it belonged to.
I want to work in this career, like a marine biologist, because I've always been interested in it and it's like a passion for me.
I want to be a paleontologist, but since paleontology also means digging up bones and stuff, I might be able to do some marine bio stuff with that too.
I think these experiments help us learn through hands-on, and it gives us more perspective.
If I could study any fish, it'd be the dragonfish, because they're very rarely studied and they're down deep in the midnight zone, so it'd be very cool.
I love the field trips we go on. Personally, I think that she finds great places for us to go and makes them very enjoyable for us, for sure.
With the Guy Harvey Conservation Foundation, I'm now a certified educator for them. And so they provide us with materials that we can utilize in our classroom. Like I utilized their shark anatomy to help review the different parts today. And then that's also where I'll be getting the lionfish for my Marine 2 kids to dissect. So when they hear about the fact that we do the Marine Discovery Center in New Smyrna and we do SeaWorld, we take them to sleep at SeaWorld overnight and they get to participate in all sorts of different activities at SeaWorld, which is a lot of fun. And then I take a group to Pigeon Key for 3 days and 2 nights. When they hear about those opportunities, they really want to come and take my class.